Well, people say, oh, but it's a bit dear. What they don't realise, we're doing 3 times the amount of work each day, so it's not dear, it's not cheaper.
The benefit is it's a measured amount.
Yeah, I'm all clear, mate.
I think one of our biggest flexibilities is we can go below bitumen level, which other pavers can't. So we can go that 300 millimetres below bitumen level, which is a big benefit. If you on any other paver, you couldn't do it.
We got the only 2 you can go below level like that at the present moment in South Australia.
This is probably one of the more difficult ones because it's so deep. We're at 425 millimetres deep in the trench. It's probably the first time I've done 3 layers. But the job's working out very well.
And we don't know about the rest of Australia, but to do what we're doing at the moment, we're going down over I think it's about 1,600 in the ground, and we do it in 2 and 3 lifts. So we put the machine down, the blade goes down in the hole, and levels it out. They roll it, it lifts up a level, roll it, lifts up until they get the top layer.
Yep. Northern Expressway, Fulton Hogan, we did our first time we ever did 2.7 metre shoulders. Our maximum used to be a maximum of 2 metres. We increased the machine to achieve 2.7, and on this particular job we're on now, we've actually done 2.8 metres. We believe we can achieve up to 3 metres wide with the shoulder paver, and down to a smaller 600. I think the trick, or the benefit that we've got is our laser levelling system. Makes the job so much easier. Well, makes the job so much more precise.
When you set the computer up, it gives you your slope and your height. And as you go along, you set the whole thing up for your height and your slope will give you between, we can get heaps of it, but we've got to have between 1% and 7%. Well, we normally sit on 3% slope, downhill slope on the grade, so it faces off that way.
It's programmed into here.
And then when we go along, the machine automatically just adjusts itself.
Yes.
And it'll keep the same heights because the road's not always exactly level. So as it goes through, the machine will adjust itself up and down, and then also adjust the slope, so we've got 3%.
It's all laser level, yeah.
And when the grader follows, he's got to trim it up without going. His instruments also go 3%, but it makes it a lot easier for everybody if we can do most of it in the first process.
Well, what we do is with the 3 layers, we build it up. With the first layer is like a foundation for me. Yeah. The second layer I'll build up. Once again, it will go a little bit wider and smoother, and then the third layer is the finish layer. And
if we were going to do a 2 metre wide strip, we'd only do 1,800. Leave it proud, roll it, and leave it proud from there. Then when the grader finishes, he'll take the surplus off, which will give him his full 2 metres.
Yep.
And that way there's no wasted material over the back, and it makes it more economic.
It decreases the amount of grading work that you need to do. Yeah. It's putting it in at that measured level. Yeah. We can do up to 4 kilometres a day, depending on the measurements. We record our measurements. You can do anything from 1 kilometre to 4 kilometres per day.
Well, it takes we take it off the truck. It takes 10 minutes to have it all operational. By the time we plug all the hydraulics in, all the computers are all set up and everything like that, it takes about 10 minutes to get it going.
It's quick release, quick hitch.
Machines, they can travel up and down the road. We pick it up with a tractor and we run down the road at 47 k's an hour. We carry a certain amount of material still in there, so we jump from job to job as jobs to go through.